The squirrel's faith. Once upon a time, a squirrel called Dora, who lived with her children in a beautiful wood. By day, I went up, looked for feet, and when I returned, I did find in either the tree where they live and either to your family. And she was desperate, looked for them, and then it started as about happened. But no one knew nothing, therefore she continued with the search but suddenly fell in a trap of a hunter. The same who had cut down the tree and had carried your children to a zoo. There was little the possibilities of finding your family, so that started to cry because she was desperate. Nevertheless, when I fell appeared a fairy godmother, who asked her why was crying, and she told her your reason. Then the fairy godmother gave an opportunity for leave, but she showed transferring human, and like this she was happy because she could go look for your children. So spent many days until she found them, but there was another issue because she was transformed in human. His your children when saw her they live running scared. I.e., the issue was not because she was human and no animal. So she should now become an animal, but you how? So again, she was deprived and started to cry, but this time Fairy Godmother no appeared. But Dora had an idea of come back at the zoo to check if the Fairy Godmother appeared there. On the contrary, who appeared was the same hunter who kidnapped to her and their children, but this time he take advantage. The ugly, funny appearance of Dora as human for transform her in a claw, and so that she could work in a circus this way against kidnapped her, and even so she could do nothing, and this way eventually pass the time until arrived the great day, and the fairy godmother appeared. There make into her again in a skewer, and next she goes back of children and they decide get other good for be happy again. The morality of history is always we must have faith mother each situation because at the end always will happen things surprise and inexplicable. The end. Bye bye. Thanks.